Welcome to the frozen tundra. Freezing. It is cold. It is so cold that that snowman over there could actually be made of snow. He's not, but he could be. I wonder how much is actually left of Christmas lights now that we're like in January 21st, 2026. January 21st. Oh, the frigid, cold temperatures. And they have Valentine's Day up. Oh, I hate cold. I am not a fan of the cold. So we're here in the freezing cold. Mom loves the cold.
I hate the cold.
Do you not?
Yeah, I hate the cold. I would rather be hot than cold.
Except you don't like the storms of the south.
No, I don't like the storms.
So you have to take one either way.
No. I want it all year round. Around 75
That makes
degrees.
no sense.
75 degrees, no thunderstorms and shit like that.
There is no place that exists like that.
Well, you better find it. It's all you.
I left it.
On you right now.
Unfortunately.
What's that?
I left that weather, unfortunately.
Hey, that weather down there blows. What you talking about?
No, I left it because, for family. But, I don't know. It's really been on my mind lately.
Right. Going back down to North Carolina and staying
Damn,
there?
that song from James Taylor.
Yeah. Carolina. Yep.
That is true to me. I don't know why. I don't know what to do because, there's a part of me that when we were down there, Mom,
Yeah.
I was so happy.
I know. This is what I told you to move down there. Go ahead.
Would you go down there with me?
I'd visit you, yeah. I would love to move. I'd like to burn my fucking house down, is what I'd like to do.
For a month or so?
Yeah, I would. North Carolina wasn't too bad, except for the fact that the storms got a little bit funky, but
I can never
actually I think Tennessee was worse than in North Carolina.
Well, Tennessee is snow. Where I was at, like I said, guys, I really am considering about going back to North Carolina
Yeah,
eventually.
I think you should.
I might make a stop in Ohio for a little bit.
Why?
Because I like Ohio. And there's really hunters.
Well, this is a time that you have the opportunity to build
But
up your
I just think that it's too hard to live here now. No matter what.
There's your pressure setting. 33, 33, 32.
Oh, okay, you're not. No, I just
No, like if it was real low, like 28 or something, then I might get a little concerned. But it's just because of cold.
yeah.
It's just normal air pressure volume.
Although I will say this though. There was a really cool spot that me and Courtney went to, and it was in Beaver County.
No, sorry.
It was called Indian Rock,
I've heard of that.
no, it's called North County Trail.
Where's that though?
It is in.
Oh, that's gonna kill me now.
It's in Middle Earth.
Say what?
That's
the
a
hell's
joke.
Middle Earth?
That's a joke. But we turned our adventure into the Lord of the Rings. Yeah, let's stop the thing real quick.
I would have just. I'm so
It's okay.
fucking cold, Mike. Sean, seriously,
No, it's alright.
they can bleep that out. I'm so cold I can't even think straight. Literally, my
Really?
fingers are numb. Totally numb.
How numb are they?
Very. Do you think Dad wanted me to pick him up cigarettes?
I didn't know. I didn't hear what he said.
Okay. I'll pick him up one pack. But you know what?
He'd probably pick
He
up.
doesn't realize.
He'd-
Put it off.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
What? That sweet peas?
I was wrong then.
No, they're not closed.
Yeah. They just were fixing the sign.
Because it's in the winter.
That makes sense.
Downtime.
It said opening in 42 days.
Yeah.
But I don't think they're going to open the golf first.
Oh, I loved it when we go there. Don't you?
Yeah.
I love that golf place. I mean, that seriously.
Luckily for us, they still have they still have the Sheffield bowling lanes, which you can bowl.
Oh, that is so.
And
I went
pinball.
by myself, Sean. You know what? I took myself out to the bowling lanes, and I just had a couple games. I think I did,
When
but
did
I
you do
had
that?
a good time. Huh?
When did you do that?
Like 2 weeks ago.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You went with me.
No, I'm not. No, this was by myself. I did it on a day when I had a little bit of time off.
Really?
Yeah, and I just practiced.
Oh, this was
I had
after?
a great time.
This
was
was
after our thing. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
because it got me interested in starting to do that again.
Really?
Because I enjoy bowling.
Mama.
I did. No,
That's
I did.
awesome.
I went by myself. I said, screw it. I'll just go by myself and enjoy it, and I did.
So Dad's buying cat food.
Yeah,
Okay.
because who knows? His plans are all
No, it's
it is
fine.
for him.
It's not a big deal. It's all good.
All right.
Wait, what the heck is going on here?
Oh, fuck if I know. You still have that thing on.
Relax.
Shut up.
It's all good.
I hope it. Well, let's try it over here.
It looks like they're just working on some of them.
Yeah.
No, you want to go to that one.
What? This one?
That's diesel.
Oh no! Oh, really?
Yeah.
This one is okay.
Yeah, that one's good.
Oh.
So that Two Sisters Cafe isn't there anymore?
Oh no!
That didn't-
They've been over.
that didn't last long.
Yeah.
I hope that Scooch's... Is that Scooch's Pizza? No, I don't think that's going.
No, that's not cool.
It just was like weird because the lights were off.
Well, yeah, because they don't open until after 11.
Oh, really? I just can't believe how fast things are going around here.
I know, it's scary. There's like the people who run this area don't know what the hell they're doing. They're running it into a groove. And it's a shame. My dad would be rolling in his grave.
Well, I just don't...
Because he
The
did not
taxes
grow-
are
we did
getting
not
so
grow up
high.
in that huh?
The taxes are getting so high around here that it's kind of hard to...
One of the reasons I didn't want to use my debit card over there is because that's what I'm saying in terms of getting cigarettes. You can get them on something.
Can you go a long way back?
Yeah. What long way?
No, just last road up. See, I can't really go outside at all.
Well,
Not in this cold.
who the hell would want to? Anybody that's crazy enough to want to go out in this crap deserves being frostbit.
Yeah, even
They still have.
they do. Some probably do.
I wonder how many people cook their stuff up.
That's what I want to know. Our section is usually lit up.
You know, some of the people, most of the people cook their shit.
Oh yeah.
Lights are still on.
No, I mean like our section usually is lit up during Christmas time.
Didn't you think that was cool though? That area that we checked over by Windmill.
Oh, it was.
I thought that was neat.
I still gotta put those out.
Oh, you didn't do that? Well,
Yeah.
It's gonna be kind of a weird time to put them out. No.
Nah, around winter time is okay.
Yeah, they had some beautiful ones there.
I usually try to put out the ones I put in the year.
Mm-hmm.
I usually put them out when I make them, but I still have so many videos stocked
Down this
up.
way?
Yeah. I still have so many videos I have stocked up.
Oh, take that off a minute. I wanted to tell you something.
Mom, you're funny. You crack me up.
I'm just getting him one pack right now. If he wants to either buy the other two, he's out.
Relax. It's okay. You going this way?
What?
You going that way?
Yeah, this is the way I go. Well, we got gas. You got to the bank.
Yeah.
So, you know, it was semi-successful. No, I'm just tired of the chaotic. Just
Mom.